Good morning everyone and welcome back to Droop Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2019 Audi A8L 55 Quattro. This vehicle has a turbo V6 with 335 horsepower and it is also a hybrid, I believe. This is a really nice and luxurious vehicle. Interior feels great. Really nice wood trim. Leather wrap steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster. You can change the view. Audi has one of the coolest gauge clusters. I really like them. It's pretty nice, and you can also have the full map, which looks awesome. I like that one, or this one right here. It's a 3-liter V6 turbo. You have heated seats, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel as well. You have a 360-degree camera system, and you also have the 3D view. Pretty cool. You can change your drive modes right here. I'm gonna put it in dynamic. And you also have this nice suede on the door, or Alcantara. It's really nice. You have a massage function right there too, and you have a Bang & Olufsen sound system. But yeah, the legroom is amazing back here, as you can see. You also have mirrors for the rear passengers. You have 2 sunroofs. But yeah, this is super. This is luxury right here. True luxury sedan. And you also have sunshades, which you can open and close with the power function. You can either drive this car yourself or be chauffeured around in it, and you'll have a good time either way. It's a good looking sedan, all-wheel drive of course, being Quattro. It's a really big sedan, hence the L, A8L. And I like the light bar in the back. It's a good looking car. Let's pop the trunk, see what it looks like back there. Audi A8 trunk mat. Let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. Very quiet in here, of course. I like how the seat belt tightens as you put your foot on the gas and get going. Wow. Very smooth acceleration, and the transmission is so, it shifts very quickly. It's an 8-speed automatic, shifts nicely. Even in this dynamic mode, this car is very reserved. And it doesn't lurch you back in your seat at all. It's just really, really nice and comfortable. It feels like I'm riding on a cloud. Like, the suspension is so smooth. It's so nice. It literally feels like it's gliding along the road. It's amazing. Very nice car right here. And I'm in the dynamic mode. Let me put it in another mode, see what it's like. Or let's keep it in dynamic for now so we can do a little quick acceleration on this car. Very nice pickup. But yeah, it's very nice in here. It's just so smooth and quiet. Like, I can't explain how nice it feels to drive this car. It's just literally gliding along the road like a hockey puck on ice. I don't know how it's doing that. It's just so nice. Let me put it in a different mode. I'm gonna put it in comfort, see what that feels, or auto. Let's just see what that feels like. Oh, okay, there's a wireless charger down there. But you do have to close the lid if you don't want the charger to get in your way. But it's so smooth. I just can't believe it. It's fantastic. It feels wonderful in here. Super nice. Yeah, I'm extremely impressed with this Audi right here. It is amazing. Like the way it glides along the road, the acceleration, the quietness, how this is true luxury right here. This is a true luxury vehicle in every way. It is amazing to drive. I miss when executive sedans were really popular. You know, in today's market with all SUVs being like popular, being what people go for, it's just nice to see a nice executive sedan like this. Because like, you know, from 2000, in the 1990s, even before that, and in the 2000s, like you had so many great executive sedans. Like people really wanted the S-Class, the 7 Series, all that. Like they were just more popular. You know what I mean? Like, but now everyone just wants luxury SUVs as opposed to executive sedans, because sedans are just not as popular as they used to be, with the SUV craze. But it's just really nice to see a car like this, because I'm really enjoying this drive for sure. It's just this is a pleasure to drive. It's a pleasure to drive this car. It's fantastic, truly fantastic. I give this driving experience a 10 on 10. I loved it. Like it's just the way it's so distinguished, regardless of the drive mode it's in, is just so impressive to me. And you can change the suspension. I like the feedback you get when you press the screens. It's nice. You know, it's like feedback to show that you did something, that you click something, which is amazing. And you know, it's just the seats feel so comfortable. My back feels great in these seats. My legs feel nice. Like I just have I have nice lateral support. It is a really wonderful car. And so let's get my phone out of that wireless charger real quick. That's the other space you have in there. And I guess there's like a little key thing right there if you want to. If the car is having trouble reading your key, you can just put that there. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice and luxurious pre-owned vehicles like this Audi A8 El Quattro.